Forests cover one-third of the world's land area and host more than half of the world's land-based plant and animal species. A quarter of all modern medicines come from tropical forest plants, including two-thirds of all cancer-fighting drugs, as well as saving people's lives. These medicinal plants are worth a staggering $180 billion per year. Forests have an abundant supply of nutritious foods such as nuts, fruits, seeds, and even insects, which are rich in protein and important minerals such as calcium and iron. These natural products help forest communities and millions of other people to remain healthy. Trees in forest are natural aqueducts, redistributing up to 95% of water they absorb to where it's needed most. They hold water in the soil, preventing erosion, and later release it back into the atmosphere, producing a cooling effect. Trees are a great carbon sink, with the world's forests removing an estimated 2.1 gigatons of carbon dioxide annually, that's 2.1 billion tons. This plays a fundamental role in balancing the world's carbon cycle and helping to combat climate change. Almost 900 million people, mostly in developing countries, are involved in wood fuel and charcoal production. 2.4 billion people worldwide, or 1 in 3, use wood fuel to cook meals, making wood energy a major contributor to food security and nutrition. Wood fuel provides 40% of today's global renewable energy supply, as much as solar. Hydroelectricity and wind power combined, and demand for bioenergy is soaring. The world is witnessing a net loss of 3.3 million hectares of forest area a year, an area the size of Moldova. However, more than 20 developing countries have improved food security while maintaining or increasing forest cover. This shows that it is not necessary to cut down forest for agriculture in order to reduce hunger, quite the opposite. We need to manage forests sustainably so that they can remain healthy, provide a variety of goods and services, and even support agriculture, livestock and fishery production. Sustainably managed forests provide the primary raw material for paper, which is renewable and one of the most recycled materials in the world. Around 55% or 225 million tons of all fiber used for paper production nowadays comes from recovered paper. The Hevea brasiliensis tree in the Amazon rainforest is a great source of natural rubber. By making a precise cut in the bark of the tree, called tapping, it is possible to harvest the latex without damaging the tree. Every year on 21st March, the world celebrates the International Day of Forests. In 2017, the theme was Forest and Energy. In 2018, the focus will be on forests and sustainable cities.